Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we present about our topic telephone system. So my name is Muhammad Aikal bin Mazuki. My metric number is EB19175. So this is our group members and ID metric. Okay, next. Okay, I will explain about the introduction. Okay, so the introduction is the telephone system is a communication system that transmits sound between distant points. The transmission of speech over a distance either by electric signal spread along conductor or by radio signal. The telephone communication permit conversation to be carried on between people separated by almost any distance. Telephone system, fiber optic system transmit message by flashing laser light incurred at extremely high rate. So in the other end of the cable, a photo detector receive the passing laser beam and turn it back into electrical pulse. So this is our picture for the fiber optic in telephone system. So next.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul Hafiz bin Johar, EB19233. So today I want to explain about public telephone network. A network is a communication system that interconnect many users and is designed to let any user send message to other user on a common set of communication link. Network is used generally to mean a set of computers that are connected together in such a way as to allow them to communicate and share information. Public switch telephone network, or we call it PSTN. It using underground copper wire. This legacy platform has provide business and households alike with a reliable means to communicate with anyone around the world. For generation PSTN, phones are widely used and generally still accept as a standard form of communication. It works by using underground copper that are wired from home and business to switching. Center where the phone calls are connected to each other. Think of the PSTN as the worldwide combine of telephone lines, underground wires, switching centers, cellular network, including cell towers and satellite. All these cable lines and centers connect everyone so that your call can move smoothly from your destination through the network to your reception destination. So the next is diagram. For example, for PSTN.
So for the telephone connection signaling, first one, speech signal, or we call it as information signal. A major component of any telephone system is signaling. In which electric pulses or audible tones are used for alerting, addressing, supervising, and information. For control signaling process of transferring control information such as address, call supervision, or other connection information between communication equipment and other equipment or systems. For the third one, dialing tone. A dial tone is a telephony signal sent by telephone exchange or private branch exchange (PBX) to a terminating device. And the fourth one is ringing tone. Ringing tone is a signaling tone in telecommunication that is heard by the originator of a telephone call while the destination terminal is alerting the receiving party. And the last one is busy tone. BTMA or CAD integrates collision avoidance and collision detection mechanism in ad hoc network or nodes with half-duplex radios by means of a single busy tone transmitted over an orthogonal narrowband channel. So that's all from me.
So I will continue about basic element of mobile telephone system. First of all is mobile set, also known as handset. Mobile phones are radio transceiver, transmitter, and receiver in one device that translate signals between users and radio signals. Mobile telephones can vary from simple voice units to advanced multimedia personal digital assistant. Number 2 is radio base station, or known as RBS. The RBS, which is sometimes referred to as the brain behind the base transceiver station, acts as a mediator between base station and MCs and MSCs, providing voice pathways for mobile phones and other compatible devices, such as landline or the internet. Several connected base station and MSCs are usually linked to a single RBS, which is responsible for network traffic, authentication, and handover management. The third one is Mobile Switching Center, or known as MSC. The Mobile Switching Center, MSC, handles service requests from mobile devices and landline callers, as well as routing calls between base station and the public switch telephone network. The MSC receives the dial number, generates and interprets call processing tones, and routes the calls.
Okay, my name is Irfan Ali Haikal bin Muhammad Zain, and I will continue the speech with cellular concept. Okay, so for the cellular concept is a major breakthrough in solving the problem of spectrum congestion and user capacity. It offers very high capacity in limited spectrum allocation without any major technological change. So the cellular concept is a system level idea that's require the replacement of one high power emitter, which is large cell, which many low power emitter, small cell. Is providing coverage on only a small portion of the service area. And each base station is allocated a portion of the total number of channel available to entire system. And nearby base station are assigned different group of channels. So that's all the available channel are assigned to a relatively small number of neighboring base station. That's all for me.
So for the last one, frequency reuse in cellular communication. So the concept of using the same radio frequencies within a given area that are separated by a considerable distance with minimal interference to establish communication. The frequency reuse is the scheme in which allocation and reuse of channel throughout a coverage region is done. Each cellular base station is allocated at a group of radio channel or frequency subbands to be used within a small geographic area known as a cell. So this is the picture of a cell. Okay, so that's all from us. Thank you.